How to fix TikTok website link not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix TikTok website link not working. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, no matter if you are using a Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you have ensured your internet connection is working fine, open App Store on a device and in the search bar, search for TikTok. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Now, go ahead and open TikTok. Make sure you are logged in and now tap on your profile option on the bottom right of your screen and further, tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and scroll down, and under the cache and cellular tab, tap on the free up space option. You will then see the option for cache. Tap on the clear button beside cache. In the pop-up that appears, tap on clear again. Now go back to your profile and tap on the edit profile option. You will see the option for website. Tap on that and enter the website, and by now, your website link should be working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.